Probably you remember Dexter. This model was completely printed in FDM multicolor, a custom model that actually was just the shell, and then you need to supply the chassis. But now since I had a new design, chassis actually, I made Dexter as the original, when it was found. So I tried to recreate that model, but I don't want to give the swing open doors or they might break. So anyways, it is completely printed in filament FDM. The face is resin painted. I had to add this lamp or light. All the wheels spin really nice. It does have metal rods axle right there, so we don't have to worry about the 3D printed models axles. They tend to have a lot of problems. With metals, you see that they roll very smooth. So it is a new version of, I like the running board, the board, step board all around. I mean, on this model, it looks nice. So I try to recreate the closest to the original seeing on the episodes. All are the same, anyways. That's Dexter. I will try to update with more models that I did print over the last couple of days, and I forgot to upload videos, but here is what we have so far.